Hi everyone, welcome to Java Express Academy. Guys, today I'm going to discuss another feature, a pattern matching for instance of operator. Instance of operator previously we have a new way of writing instance of operator is nothing but a pattern matching. Have a look guys. Okay, why we need instance of operator? It allows instance of operator with the matching capability, means whenever you are okay verifying whether the object is instance of employee, instance of department, instance of integer, like this we can able to define, right? Whenever you are doing, if you need a original object, we need eliminating typecasting. Just have a look this example. Here if you have object is instance of string, if specific object is a string data type, I need to typecast into your string, and then you need to verify length of the string. This is the old approach how we are writing. The newer approach, the typecasting we can remove completely guys. How to do? Okay, let me show you a small example so that you will get a better idea. What I will do, let me create a fresh project. Okay, 20 hyphen pattern. Okay, matching instance of. Okay, this is Java 16 feature. Okay, let me choose next and finish it. Okay, now let me do this activity. Let me create a package com.java express. Now let me create a class. Okay, I want to show you before instance of demo, after new feature, how we can replace the activity. I will show you both approaches. Have a look guys. Now assume that I have a object. Assume that obj equals to Java Express. This is normal string data type. I want to verify obj instance of string data type if it is matching this condition, or else if. Okay, else if, or how I can do obj instance of integer, then I want to this condition like this. If it is matching, what should I do? I need to typecast into a variable like this guys. I need to typecast into a obj, and then I want to verify some logic. See here, the same piece of code again I will modify completely guys. Now yes dot length. Okay, length greater than 5. If you assume that it is length greater than 5, system.out.println, I want to change it to uppercase letter, some logic, some business logic. Okay, now no, it is not a integer. Then integer I equals to, I need to typecast object into integer data type. Then I want to perform, suppose I star I, like this I want to perform guys. Now have a look here. If everything is done, system.out.println, I want to print as it done. Now right click, run as Java application. Yes, Java Express is printing completely. Now assume that this is a number. Okay, now it will print 6 6 are 36, it should be print, right? Now the same example, typecasting we can remove guys by using newer approach. Okay, instance of demo, simply just remove this one. Here also we can remove. Then how to define this one? The newer approach, after string data type define a variable. Yes, that's it. Here after integer define a I variable. Even typecasting you no need to do. In Java 16 onwards, if you are using latest version, this is applicable. If you are using older approaches, you will get compile time exception. This is a new feature. This is called a pattern matching capability. That is the importance of, okay, instance of operator. Okay, if you interested more sessions, okay, please join our telegram group. You will get instant updates, and please like our session and leave your comments guys. Thank you again.